No one knows your name. That's the point. While generals plan invasions and politicians draw borders, you sit in a glass tower in Zurich, moving numbers that move armies. This morning, you wired $400 million to a defense contractor in Virginia. This afternoon, the same amount cleared into an account in Moscow. Different flags, same signature, yours. You don't choose sides. Sides are for soldiers. You finance the conflict itself, because conflict is the most reliable asset class ever created. War never defaults. War always pays. Your clients never meet each other. That's by design. One is a NATO-aligned sovereign wealth fund. The other is a sanctioned oligarch with 3 passports and no permanent address. You manage both portfolios through a chain of shell entities so layered that no regulator on Earth can trace the origin. Your compliance team exists only to create the appearance of compliance. Your real team is 7 people. No emails, no phones, encrypted signals only. You've restructured debt for governments that no longer exist. You've kept currencies alive that should have collapsed. Every ceasefire has a financing structure. You built most of them. People think war is about ideology. It isn't. It's about liquidity. Who can fund longer? Who has the deeper credit line? Who structured the bonds before the first missile launched? That's always you. You're not evil. You're not righteous. You're simply the infrastructure, the invisible plumbing behind every headline. Tonight, there's a new conflict emerging in a region most people can't locate on a map. Your phone already buzzed twice. Both sides want financing. You'll take both calls. You'll structure both deals. And by morning, the war will have a budget. Because every war needs a banker. And you're the only one they trust.